Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Canva account. You just need to come here at the top right and click on the settings icon, the gear cog, and then what I need you to do guys is click on a login. Okay, under personal account click on login, and here if you scroll down you'll see this option to delete your account. So you lose access to all your designs. Okay, so go ahead and click on delete account. And it will give you this warning message. Basically, after you go through with this, you have basically 14 days to log into your account again to restore it before it's actually permanently deleted. So they have now sent me a code to my email. Okay. And if I put in this code right here, I can go ahead and click on delete account. And after this, the deletion process will start. So let me go ahead and open up my email. So all I need to do is log back into the scan within 14 days and I'll have it back. So here we go. This is the code 061. And then you just need to click on delete account and it will be gone permanently. As you can see, it is going to log me out as well. Okay. And it's really that easy and